Hello, everyone. Hope you're all having a problem-solving day. Auto Repair here, and today we're diving into the symptoms of a bad brake master cylinder. The brake master cylinder plays a crucial role in your vehicle's braking system. Its main job is to distribute brake fluid to each wheel when you press down on the brake pedal. This allows the calipers or wheel cylinders to compress the brake material and stop the wheels. Typically, you'll find the master cylinder in the engine compartment on the driver's side, underneath the reservoir, and connected to the brake booster. I have 5 symptoms of a bad brake master cylinder for you. One of the most common signs of a failing master cylinder is a brake fluid leak. External leaks can originate from the grommets between the reservoir and the cylinder body, or from the seal closest to the brake booster. Internal leaks can also occur if the seals inside the master cylinder are torn, which prevents it from holding pressure when you apply the brakes. Second symptom is fluid contamination. If your brake fluid appears darker than normal, it could be contaminated by moisture or debris entering through damaged seals. This contamination not only reduces the fluid's effectiveness, but can also lead to further damage within the braking system. Third symptom is spongy brake pedal. A spongy brake pedal often indicates air in the brake system. Leaks, particularly from the grommets, can let brake fluid escape and allow air to enter. The presence of air in the brake lines disrupts the hydraulic pressure, causing the pedal to feel soft or spongy when pressed. Another sign of a bad master cylinder is a brake pedal that sinks to the floor when pressed. This is usually caused by torn seals inside the master cylinder. These defective seals allow brake fluid to bypass within the cylinder, making it impossible for the system to maintain the necessary pressure. Last symptom is longer braking distance. If you notice that your car takes longer to stop, the master cylinder might be to blame. Internal leaks and torn seals prevent the system from generating the correct hydraulic force. As a result, the brakes can't compress the rotors or drums effectively, leading to reduced braking performance and longer stopping distances. That's it for today's lesson on bad brake master cylinder symptoms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment for any question, and don't forget to subscribe.